Hello friends. Many people have find difficulties in Google Meet and especially in Meet attendance. That how we can take the Meet attendance automatically in their class. So this video is for them, and I have resolved different issues related to Google Meet. So for the Google Meet attendance, what you have to do is you have to go to the google.com, and in that you have to search for Meet attendance. You have to search for Meet attendance extension because this is an extension to the Google Chrome. Once you click here, the first link you have to go, that is written Google Meet, Google Chrome. Just click it here and it will ask you to add this particular Google Meet in your Google Chrome. Now here you just add to Google Chrome. If you have logged into some of your Gmail account, it will not ask the authentication afterwards. If you haven't logged in any Google account while installing it, maybe later on it will ask you for authentication or login with any of the Google account. So my request is to use your personal Google account to do that. Now here you just add to Chrome. Now here it is saying that add extension. Once we added this particular extension, the pop-up window will open here and it will tell us that Meet attendance has been added to the Chrome. Okay. If you want to check, you go to the setting, go to the extension, and in that you will find it out that your Meet attendance has been installed. So this is the Meet attendance that has been installed in my Google Chrome. Now after that, what you do is here I have an open Meet attendance. Sorry, Google Meet meeting is going on. Here what I'll do is I'll just refresh it. So once I'll refresh it, in the Google Meet, it will ask to rejoin again. So I'll just rejoin it. So why I'm doing that is I'll just have created a meeting in that to show you that how we can take the attendance. Okay. Now I am in the Google Meet right now. I have just refreshed it. Now, if you click into this particular symbol, which is saying that show everyone. Now once you click it, the extension is added here. This is the Meet attendance extension. You see that here we have 4 number of people in the meeting. Here also it is showing 4, right? Here also it is showing 4. Now we have these button 1, 2. These are the sliding buttons. What are the usage of it? I'll let you know. So at the very beginning, once you click this particular symbol here, it will ask you for the authentication if you haven't logged in your Google account while installing this particular Chrome. If you have used your Google account while installing it, it's not going to ask. So you see first time here it is just once I'll click that, it is opening a Excel file in the Google Doc, and you see that it is completely blank, right? So sometime you might get that particular type of problem. So how you can solve this particular problem? You just come here again. Here you have a sliding button. You just click this sliding button once. Now you can see that it is 0 right now. Again, you click this particular sliding button. You will get 4 here, right? And then again you click this particular button. Now after that, what will happen is this particular, see, you will get all the people's name here. So it is for just refreshing. Sometime it is not working. So to refresh it, it is going to work. So right now you are getting all the people's attendance here in your Google Sheet. Now, if you want to create a new one, so this is for creating the new one. You just click here, and after that, just click here. It will create a new sheet for you. All those sheets you can find it out in a Google Drive. So this is how it is creating, and all these sheets you can find in the Google Drive. So one attendance sheet that is created just now. Okay, all these are just now created. Now, sometime what will happen is, let me show you what was the problem that many people facing is. Here it is number of people are 4. Here sometime it is less. Let's say if we have 60 students or 100 students, it is showing 100 here, but here it is showing less than 100. So what you have to do is just close this particular window and just click here again, show everyone. Once you do that, this particular number will be equal to this particular number. So you just see while taking the attendance, these two numbers will be the same. So once you do that and click into that button, it will give you the number of people which is available in your meeting right now. So this is how we do that. If you have any query, you can ask me into the comment section. So thank you very much.